Right now, all across Georgia, there is a serious need for foster care families. Since the start of the pandemic, advocates say interest in becoming a foster parent has dropped, while the need for safe homes for kids continues to grow. The state's foster care system has been in the spotlight for months now. 11 Alive's Liza Lucas is here with more on the need for support for this very vulnerable group, Liza.
Aisha, Wellroot Family Services tells 11 Alive it is all hands on deck at the nonprofit. They're trying to recruit more families as fast as they can, but the reality is that they're seeing the interest in becoming a foster parent down by about 50% compared to previous years.
Foster families with nonprofit Wellroot Family Services gathered together for Christmas. But beyond the celebration, President and CEO Allison Ash says the need is great.
We really need for families to step up and be willing to take a foster child into their home.
Right now, more than 11,000 kids are in the state's foster care system, according to the Georgia Department of Human Services. And Ash says the nonprofit is seeing a shortage of foster parents to care for them. She says that shortage can have a ripple effect on children's lives.
We don't have enough foster parents willing to help us and to take these kids in. Kids end up in placements that aren't appropriate for them. They may be separated from their siblings. We often can't find homes for older kids when we don't have enough foster parents, and they end up in group homes. And the kids with the most significant and behavioral health issues can end up in placements that don't have the right supports for them or end up in hotels.
A state Senate committee studied these and other issues affecting foster kids extensively over the past few months. The committee ultimately recommending more support and training for foster families to help with retention. Ash, meanwhile, says she believes the foster parent shortage stems from the COVID-19 pandemic, but she's hopeful more families will open up their hearts and their homes.
Hearing from the families that we work with is that it's brought a lot of joy and a lot of healing into their households.
The ultimate goal is for kids to be reunited with their families whenever possible, but advocates say that when there are not enough foster care placements, we see kids get bounced around a lot, moved farther away from friends or school, and that in itself can add to the trauma. Andrew.